The French Supercar prototype only has a 335 horsepower inline-four engine, but that will be replaced by a hydrogen-guzzling V6 later this year. The Alpenglow Hy4 is a fully working hydrogen prototype based on Alpine's 2022 concept. It will debut at Spa this weekend and will be followed by performance appearances before reappearing at Le Mans in June. The Rolling Labs 335 horsepower inline-four will be upgraded to a V6 for a second prototype to appear later this year. Alpine thinks hydrogen will play a major role in tomorrow's car market, and to prove how serious it is about the fuel, it has transformed its 2022 Alpenglow concept into a fully drivable Alpenglow Hy4 prototype. The subtly overhauled Supercar, which now offers seating for two instead of just one, will make its debut at this weekend's Spa 6 Hours, where it will perform demonstration laps, before doing the same at Le Mans in June. Contrary to what its hypercar styling and flashy carbon chassis suggest, the Hy4 produces just 335 horsepower, 340 PS, from a 2.0-liter, turbocharged four-cylinder engine, although Alpine says this will be upgraded to a V6. H2 dihydrogen, together with injected water to reduce NOx emissions, is squirted directly into the combustion chambers under a pressure of 40 bar, 580 PS, from 3 tanks, one on each side and one behind the cockpit, where it is held at 700 bar, 10,150 PS. The inline-four spins up to 7,000 RPM, and Alpine says it gives the Alpenglow performance equivalent to a gasoline-powered car, including a top speed of 270 km per hour. Although this engine has been adapted to run on hydrogen from an existing Renault/Alpine internal combustion engine, the future V6 is being designed from the ground up with hydrogen in mind. Alpine says it's focusing on hydrogen-fueled combustion power rather than hydrogen fuel cell electric technology because its specific power, reduced cooling requirements and similarity in feel and sound to a gasoline-sipping combustion engine make it a good bet for racing applications. Although it has not said it will directly participate in the Alpenglow race, Alpine says it is paying close attention to changes to the racing rules and reminds that hydrogen vehicles will be legal at Le Mans from 2027.